Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, nice meeting you guys. My name is Lucy from LucyJohn.com, and this channel is all about career, working abroad, and mindset. I am currently living in Toronto in Canada, but before I also lived and worked in Singapore, in the Netherlands, and in South Korea to grow my career in tech industry. So if you watched my video last week, I am sure you are so excited to watch today's video because we are gonna deep dive on LinkedIn today, okay? Oh, and if you didn't watch my video, go ahead and watch it because I shared 3 major tips to find a job in 1 month in 2021, okay? So we're gonna use LinkedIn to attract recruiters and hiring managers to reach out to you first before you apply for a job so that you are gonna increase your chances to get more interviews, which directly leads you to get a job really fast. Get a job within 1 month, okay? I'm gonna share my screen with you guys to guide you step by step how you can make your LinkedIn profile so attractive and so appealing. So get a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or a glass of wine or beer, whatever you desire, you do you, because we are gonna be here for a hot minute, all right? So now let me start with why we use LinkedIn to attract recruiters and hiring managers, okay? I have 2 main reasons, okay? First, why? Because recruiters are literally using LinkedIn to find their potential candidates, okay? So if imagine you don't have attractive LinkedIn profile, or if you don't even have LinkedIn profile, imagine they just search for the right candidates, but you just are not appearing in their radar. So you have 0 exposure, right? No matter how fancy work experiences that you have already, no matter how great education do you have, no matter how attractive you could be as a candidate, if you have 0 exposure, if you have 0 visibility to them, 0 chance for them to reach out to you, right? And second, LinkedIn has powerful SEO, right? Search engine optimization, meaning when someone Googles you, your LinkedIn profile pops up. So imagine you apply for a job and maybe your recruiters or hiring manager want to check your profile out, right? Then they check your profile. Imagine, let's say your resume and your LinkedIn profile work experiences doesn't really match, or your profile picture is not professional enough. I definitely believe that this is not a bonus point for you, right? So now I prepared 2 LinkedIn tutorial videos, including this one, because we have a lot to cover. And in today's video, we are gonna cover the upper portion of your LinkedIn page, meaning your profile picture, banner, and headline, right? So basically what kind of keywords you need to use, right? But don't worry if you don't know what is banner, what is headline, what is keywords. Don't worry, that's why you are here and that's why I'm here for you, okay? So let's dive in, shall we? Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see here, today we are going to talk about 3 things. First, LinkedIn profile picture. Second, banner. Third, headline. So first, let's start with profile picture. So I prepared 2 photos for you guys. Which one do you think is the best photo for LinkedIn profile picture? Yes, you are right. The first one is the right one because LinkedIn profile picture needs to be professional, right? And this photo here is to Instagram kind of photo. And also from this photo, this is a full body photo. I can't really see the face, right? And as I mentioned, LinkedIn profile picture needs to be professional, but it is good to add your personality in your photo because it's literally the first impression that you are going to give to the people who are visiting your LinkedIn profile. All right. So make sure to add a bit of personality to your photo with some smiles and also upload a photo that shows your face and waistline, not just your face. Okay. And try not to upload a full body photo because, definitely you want to show them your face, right? So now your photo is ready. So if your photo's background is like mine here with light gray color, I don't think you need to change anything here. You can go ahead and upload it unless you want to be super creative. But let's say you need to change your background color. In that case, we are going to use 2 free tools. So the first one we are going to use is a website called remove.bg. So This is a website that removes your background and you can use it for free. You can go ahead and upload your photo here. And once you upload your photo, your background will be removed automatically and you can go ahead and download it. So let me share mine. So once you upload your photo, as you can see here, your background is removed. But the problem is you can't just upload no background photo like this on LinkedIn. So now we are going to use Canva to add your background color. All right. So go ahead and download it first. So we are on Canva right now. So if you don't know what Canva is, it is one of the best tools ever, especially if you're not really good at Photoshop like me. This is very simple and easy tool to use. And they have free and paid versions, but everything that I show you guys today, you can use it for free. So when you are on Canva, first you need to create your account and click create a design button here and click custom size and type 400 by 400 pixels for your LinkedIn profile picture. Okay. So once you do that, click create new design. And this screen will pop up. So now what we need to do is we need to upload your no background photo. And we're going to add your background color, all right? So on the left handle, click upload media, click device, and upload your no background photo here, all right? So once you upload your photo, you'll be able to see your no background photo like this. So click your photo that you want to use and enlarge your photo. Yep. So enlarge your photo, and I think this is good enough. And now what we need to do is we need to change your background color. So click this background color. And from here, you can choose whichever color you desire, yellow, orange, blue, everything. But I would recommend to use light gray color for your LinkedIn profile picture. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and download it. But let's say you want to create very creative kind of profile picture, then click elements from the left handle. And from here, there are so many different elements that you can actually use. So for example, you can if you want to decorate your profile picture, you can definitely do that as well, like this, right? So by doing so, your profile picture can look like a little bit creative and more fun. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. And once you've finished, you can just click download and choose PNG file and click download. And now your photo is ready. Okay, now let's move on to the second one, banner, our cover photo. Okay, so the banner is really meant for showing your energy. So any photo that expresses your energy and personality will be a good banner for you. So landscape photos are good ones in my opinion. And you can also design your own banner as well on Canva, which I'm gonna show you later, all right? So first, let's say you want to use landscape photos, right? In that case, you can use your own photo if you are a good photographer. But if not, then we can also use a professional photo that are available for free online. So to do that, let's go to pixabay.com. All right. So from here, there are so many free images and royalty free photos here. So literally you can find so many great photos here, right? For example, for me, I really like to use City View photo because For me, I want people to feel that my energy is very fast-paced, ambitious, and city girl kind of image, and that is actually who I am as well. So if that is the case, we can type some, like, for example, New York City, New York. And from here, you'll be able to see so many great New York views. I love this photo. This photo is great. A lot of great photos, right? And also, you can also use your city's view as well. So for me, Toronto skyline is amazing. And oh, I love this photo. So this photo can be a great cover photo for your LinkedIn. So if you want to use that, just click this photo and make sure to check if this is free to use for commercial use. No attribution required, as you can see here, right? So if it's free to use, go ahead and click free download, and you can just download it and you can use it for your LinkedIn banner, all right? And also, let's say you are more quiet, and let's say your job requires you to be super organized, then you can maybe type notebook. And this kind of photo could be good options for you. I like this photo as well. And this one is a good option as well, right? Also, there are many options, right? So you just like use some keywords to find the best photo to express your energy and your personality, and just use them as use it as your LinkedIn banner. All right. So now let's say you want to create your own creative design. That's great. If you want to do that, then let's go to Canva again. So let's go to Canva. Okay, so let's go to Canva. I'm on Canva again. What you need to do is you can just type LinkedIn banner, right? So LinkedIn banner pops up here. As you can see here, there's so many free templates that you can use. Some are actually paid, as you can see, but there are a lot of free templates available on Canva. You just need to customize to your own, right? So from here, actually, like in my opinion, for LinkedIn banner, if you have a big achievement, this is a great place to show off a little bit. Or if you love a certain quote that expresses who you are, that is also a great idea. Put that quote on your banner as well, right? As you can see here, there's a quote here as well. But for me, I really like this one. So let's say you want to use this template, all right? Then click use this template. But of course, you are not going to use it like this because you need to change your name and your photo and your kind of like keyword here. Click the photo, delete it, and use your own photo, right? So just enlarge it here, right? And change to your name, global, I don't know, global sales professional, maybe, right? And let's say you want to change this color from yellow to something else, then you can just easily click this element and change the color to the color that you like. Very easy to use, right? From here, you can also change your color. And what you need to do now is you can just go ahead and click download button and just download it. And your LinkedIn banner is ready again. Easy peasy, right? So next, headline. What is headline? All right. So Headline is not a place where you can be creative, all right? Okay? Because headline is all about keywords. It matters when recruiters or hiring managers are looking for candidates, okay? So our purpose of using right headline is to make sure you are showing up in their search results, all right? So as you can see here, first, make it simple and concise and don't make it long, okay? And second, use keywords, all right? So this is a formula for your headline. And first, you can put job title, and second one can be your industry. And the third one can be the extra point that you want to highlight in your headline, okay? So for examples, I have two examples here. So first one, let's say you are a digital marketing manager, okay? So you can put your job title here as digital marketing manager. And let's say your industry that you are in is finance. You can put finance here. And there should be some extra points, right? So let's say digital marketing is very broad. So for example, SEO marketing is your specialty. Then you can put SEO marketing here. And also, let's say social media marketing is your jam. Then you can put social media marketing here as well. And another example, let's say you are an enterprise account executive. Then go ahead and type enterprise account executive here. And the industry that you are in is tech industry. Then put tech in the tech here as a second portion here. And your extra point can be software sales if you are selling softwares, okay? So remember, use keywords and make it simple and concise, and don't make it too long, all right? So if you've watched my videos, you know that I've been emphasizing this a lot, but here we are again. This is because why it is so important for you to know what you want in your career, right? So what kind of job or what kind of industry you are aiming to work, because the more specific you are, the higher chances you will be showing up in the search results, because you're going to be seen as an expert in that specific category, okay? Now, if you're not sure what job is right for you or you feel stuck, that is okay. And just watch my first video because I already shared how to find a right job or right career for you, okay? And it literally changed my way of thinking as well. So, welcome back, guys. How was it? So, are you gonna update your LinkedIn profile today? Are we gonna do that? Yes. But if it's too difficult for you guys to update right now, don't worry, just update your headline first, all right? And also, if you're not sure and wondering what job or career is really right for you, if you're asking yourself that question on and on and on, don't worry, I already have a video for you, so check that out as well, because that video is gonna guide you through to find what you're really meant for doing. And if you're looking for a job really fast, the video will help you to really figure out what you're really good at and what job can actually pay you, all right? So until then, have a great and amazing week. And thanks again for watching my video. And next week, we are gonna talk about how to update your summary and work experiences, education, and skills on LinkedIn, all right? So stay tuned, all right? Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, all right? So that's it for today, and see you guys next week. Bye.